Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor to see you all here. My name is Thananya Momin, a student from the College of Dental Medicine, Branch University. Today, I would like to present about our research, which is the effects of a commercial dental cleansing solution and for household agent on the surface roughness of heat-cured acrylic resin. The National Statistical Office of Thailand showed that Thailand is entering into aging society. Thai National Oral Health Survey 2018 also showed that 1 million elderly people need to wear a complete dentures and 5.9 million people need to wear removable partial dentures. Dentures wearers often suffer from anxiety or further oral care problems, such as aesthetic problems of denture, malodor, and staining. From this information, cleaning dentures properly is very important in to eliminate plaque and maintaining good oral hygiene for denture wearers. Heat-cured acrylic resin are the most commonly used of denture-based materials. There are 4 important properties required for denture base, which are: first, biocompatibility; second, dimensional stability; third, flexural strength; and fourth, surface roughness. In this study, we will focus on the surface roughness. Why do we focus on the surface roughness? It is because surface roughness is clinically important in the process of containing plaque and bacteria. Ferguson et al. 2017 said that the adherence mechanism of Candida albicans to denture base is affected by surface roughness. Moreover, Babiner et al. 2020 said that the acceptable clinical surface roughness is 0.2 microns to prevent the plaque accumulation. There are 2 methods to clean denture. The first one is mechanical methods, such as brushing and using ultrasonic cleanser. They are the most commonly used and effective procedure to reducing the removing biofilm formation, but still depend on a manual skill of denture wearers. The second method is a chemical method by using solution of immersing denture. This method is the best when combined with a mechanical method to reduce microorganisms on denture base. Moreover, the method is suited patient who has limitation of brushing, which would be better alternative choice. From this information, cleaning the denture is very important, but there still have a limitation for people who live in rural area. Commercial denture cleansing solution may be difficult to find, and what if household agents such as sodium hypochlorite and clear vinegar could also clean the denture without affecting the surface roughness? Would they be the alternative choice for a patient? This question leads to our objective. The objective is to compare the different effects of surface roughness of heat-cured acrylic resin between denture cleansing solutions when immersed for 6 months. The materials we use include heat-cured acrylic resin specimens, polydents, 0.1 sodium hypochlorite, 0.5% sodium hypochlorite, 100% clear vinegar, and 5% acetic acid. This shape 72 specimens were fabricated with 10 millimeters in diameter and 2 millimeters for height from heat-cured acrylic resin. 3 layers stainless steel mold has been used to fabricate the specimens. The mold was applied with the separating medium. When the powder and liquid of heat-cured acrylic resin were mixed in the ratio as recommended by manufacturer and become a dough stage, it was packed into the mold space and processed according to manufacturer's instructions. After that, long cure cycle polymerization was done. The specimens were finished with 1,000 and 2,000 grit sandpaper respectively. After that, all specimens were stained in the ultrasonic cleaning. Non-contact surface roughness taster has been used to measure the surface roughness of all pre-immersion specimens. And the results show that all groups were not significantly different at T0, confirming that all specimens had the same surface roughness. From the pilot study, there are no significantly difference of surface roughness between tap water and distilled water, so we use the tap water as a negative control in our experiment. 12 specimens in each group were immersed in 4 household agents, which are 100% clear vinegar, 5% acetic acid, 0.1% sodium hypochlorite, 0.5% sodium hypochlorite, the commercial denture cleansing solution pollutant, and tap water for 10 minutes as well. Each taste specimen were rinsed in running tap water for 2 minutes and were immersed in a new respectively solution. The procedure of each solution repeats 5 cycles a day for 36 days, which are equivalent to 6 months of clinical service. During the non-immersion time, all specimens were stored in a tap water. The results of one-way ANOVA analyzed that the null hypothesis was rejected. The main difference of delta RA of all cleansing solution has at least one pair that shows statistically significant. Therefore, to find what solution, we use the pore subterfuge test. The results show that there are 2 solutions that the surface roughness has significantly different, which are 0.1 and 0.5% sodium hypochlorite. 100% clear vinegar appears to be the mild acid solution, salt taste, and unsatisfactory purgence odor, but it is reported to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. His study is similar to Shamarkang and Clara 2017, who found that surface roughness of denture base did not cause much change after immersion in 100% vinegar and denture cleansing solution. Acetic acid is one and the most important component of vinegar, but clear vinegar also contains other byproducts. In this experiment, we would like to confirm that other byproducts from vinegars manufacturing method do not affect the surface roughness of heat-cured acrylic resin specimen. So we tried pure acetic acid into 5%, which relate to amount of acetic acid in clear vinegar, and did experiment as well. Chu et al. 1995 suggests that using 0.5% sodium hypochlorite at 10 minutes immersion could be eliminated the microorganism from both superficial and inner surface of acrylic resin. Their source of Porter et al. 2013 stated that it was effective in reducing microorganisms without significant changes in color or roughness of denture resin. In this study, both 0.1% and 0.5% sodium hypochlorite increased surface roughness significantly. Aruda et al. 2018 stated that 0.1% sodium hypochlorite is still effective on biofilm removal when used in the participant with denture stomatitis. Therefore, 0.1% sodium hypochlorite would be the better choice for cleaning denture than 0.5% because of its less toxicity and adequate biofilm removal. So, from this study, the surface roughness of 0.1% sodium hypochlorite and 0.5% sodium hypochlorite were increased significantly, while other household agents were not significantly different from the control groups. However, this study was stayed in just some household agent, and the period is only 6 months. The further study should investigate a long-term use and other household agents. By the way, based on this surface roughness data, 100% clear vinegar and 5% acetic acid can be the alternative choice for denture cleansing, especially in the geriatric or handicapped patient in rural areas for short-term use. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Thananya, for your attention and good presentation.
Thank you. Do you have any question?
May I interrupt? There is a question in the chat box. The question is, from your experiment, will you recommend your patient to use clear vinegar or 5% acetic for soaking their denture?
Okay. Based on this study, most of temporary dentures used just for 6 months. So we can suggest our patients to use clear vinegar and 5% acetic acid according to the result of the surface roughness and plaque accumulation, especially the geriatric and handicapped patient who cannot provide a commercial dentures cleansing solution.
Okay.
Okay, I have one question.
Yes.
To consider about the cleansing solution besides the surface roughness, what is the other property of the denture that you should consider?
There are 4 properties that we have to make clear, which is, let me find. The biocompatibilities, the dimensional stabilities, and the fractional strength are others dangerous property that we should make it important. But this experiment only used the surface roughness as the topics.
Okay, it's a good start. Thank you.
Thank you.
And there is another question from the chat box.
Yes.
From Kun Prao Rapi. The question is, if you say that can be used for a short term, do you have any paper support? And how about the side effect?
Yes, of course. From the paper of Pabal Shamal 2017 said that denture base did not cause much change after immersion in 100% clear vinegar, with no side effects was found.
Okay, I have one question. Why don't you use chlorhexidine in this study? Because it's also recommended to use for soak the denture.
Because the chlorhexidine can, yes, it can use for soaking denture, but our study focused on household agent, which chlorhexidine is not a household agent, and it's made hard to buy in the rural areas as same as polydent.
No. Okay, thank you for your answer.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Anyone have any questions? Okay. If there is no question, let's move on to the last topic. Thank you for your attention and good presentation.